Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, I have two Lego sets on the table. So this is Lego City Police Helicopter and this is Lego Dots Desk Organizer. This item number is 60275, and today I'm going to build both the Lego sets without instructions. So it is going to be challenge, but so now let's start. So first I will start with the small one, only 51 pieces, not very big. Alright, this one has the instruction booklet, but we will not be needing that. So alright, then nothing there, no stickers. So these are all the pieces. I can only see the cover. I can only see the cover. So let's start. Alright, so how will it go? Like this? Is there something? Yeah. Oh yeah, I have heard of this. This will go here. Here. Alright, I think this challenge was a success, and now the big one. So I think this will be very big. So let's bring in the time lapse. The Lego, and I have done both of them, as you can see right here, both of them without using instructions. So now let's make the big one. So now bring the time lapse. And now it is the fun part of decorating it. So I've already, as I said, I've already made it. So only thing I have to do is line them up and attach them. And it's done. See? Right here it's done. Everything is done, and I have done it by myself. Lego, I have created this design by myself, and this one came in the instruction booklet. And I can even attach a little photo of anything here, a photo. And look at all this stuff which is still left. And so that means that I have successfully made two Lego sets without using instructions. So that's it, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.